So apparently there's a 15-minute timer to these videos. Anyway, I think we got through most of the brochure in the last one, so that's that. So the first two things you should be doing are the worksheets and the brochure. Once you've got those two things done, make sure your name's on the worksheet, turn it in. Once you're done with the brochure, make sure it goes back into the shelf for your class. Again, 1, 2, you are the top shelf, 3, 4, you are the middle shelf, and 5, 6, you are the bottom shelf. So please make sure your brochure gets put back in there. When you are finished, the next thing you should be doing is the reading notes for this section. The reading's called Why Doesn't an Atomic Nucleus Fly Apart? If you want to access the sway just by continuing through the Nearpod that you were on, you can do that. Otherwise, it is right below it on Schoology, so it is right. And there's my first video already. Look at me. There's the reading as well, so you can just do it straight from Schoology if you want. Remember, one important thing per slide, and there are questions on the back, so make sure you get to those as well. So it's a typical reading. Shouldn't take you that long. It's you guys are used to doing this at this point. You're experts. You're pros. Once you finish that, depending on how much time is left in class, you should have a fairly decent amount of time. I'm thinking it's not going to take you that long to get through this. So the next thing you need to do is you should have picked up a Gizmo charge launcher worksheet when you came in. And actually, let me just add the link right now so you know where to go. You're going to go to Gizmo's website. It's called Explore Learning, but I'm going to put the link on right now. So I use another teacher's login. Okay, 1, 2. Let's use yours. So Charge Launcher is the name of the Gizmo you're going to be doing. So I'm going to take this link and put it right into Schoology. Click here for Gizmo Fun Time. Yay, everybody loves Gizmo Fun Time. So that's going to go at the bottom of the Schoology page. So once you are done with everything else, you've turned in 1.4.3, you've done the reading, you've done the brochure, click here for Gizmo Fun Time, and that will be with the Charge Launcher worksheet that you should have picked up on your way in. I don't expect you to finish the whole worksheet unless you have like all of class time left, in which case, yes, finish the whole worksheet. The Gizmo sheet, it's mostly about getting as far as you can. So instead of this being a normal assignment, I think this is probably just going to be extra credit for as much as you can do. If you don't get any of it done, I'm either assuming it took you the entire class time to do the worksheet, or you worked on other classwork, which is fine too. But I'm leaving specific instructions for the sub to write down the names of anyone who is not doing work. So if you are in any way goofing off or just listening to music or watching, I don't know, basketball on your computers like you think I don't see, then you're not going to get any bonus points. So just do your work. I miss you all terribly. But I know you guys can do this and you can get through this. And if you have questions, message me on Schoology. Message me. I can't promise I'm going to be able to check it right away, but I will have it checked by the end of the day. So if you need to stop back in my room, for any reason and leave something there, that's fine. So that's all I have. Good luck. I believe in you. You got this. So there will be another video underneath this. It's the one I'm making right now. And then you got the Nearpod, you got the reading, and then at the very bottom, you got the Gizmo. So everything you need all in one spot, one-stop shopping. Have a great day.